fat orange tabby cat walks alone through the alleyways until it hears a sound, a baby left in a dumpster. With no hesitation, the cat climbs up and takes the child in its paws from alley to home. It bathes the baby, dries every little finger, dresses it with care only a mother would know. The next day, they walk the market together, ride a scooter, visit the toy store, and return home with a heart full of joy. The cat watches as the baby plays. Then warms the milk and gently feeds it like it was her own. That night, they sleep in the same bed, safe, warm, and loved. Because sometimes family finds us in the most unexpected ways.